Alright, now let me show you two smart timer features on this compact heater. The auto shut-off timer and the wake-up timer. Let's say it's 11 p.m. and I'm getting ready for bed. I switch the heater to AU mode, which is energy efficient and super quiet, perfect for sleeping. I also turn the temperature down to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, just the way I like it at night. Now, I want the heater to automatically kick into high gear in the morning, so it warms up the room before I get out of bed and rush to work. That's where the wake-up timer comes in. I'll set it for 8 hours. You'll see AL and 08 flash back and forth 3 times. That means the wake-up timer is successfully set. So, at 6:40 a.m., the heater will automatically enter wake-up mode and start heating at full power. But here's the thing, I want total silence when I sleep. So, I'll also set the auto shut-off timer to turn the heater off in 2 hours. You see 02 flash 3 times. Now it's all set. The heater will shut down automatically at 1 a.m. And here we go, the auto shut-off timer has kicked in, and the heater is turning off all by itself. Now, it's 6:40 a.m. and the wake-up timer has been triggered. The heater automatically comes back on 20 minutes before your set time, switching to high heat mode, setting the temperature to 95 degrees, and disabling the external temperature probe to focus on room heating. So after 20 minutes of full power heating, your room is already nice and warm when your alarm goes off. No more freezing your way out from under the covers. After running for an hour, it shuts off again automatically. So, even if you are rushing out the door to catch a train or flight, you don't have to worry about leaving it running. It's smart, safe, and energy conscious.